So we got hired to do a frame install in a 1940s house, Sacramento downtown, Land Park. Gonna do this beautiful 50-inch frame. Gonna get rid of this old, clunky, messy 1080 TV. We're gonna do a VersaBox install. We're gonna recess that inside the wall, have the TV mounted, relocate the electrical, conceal the one connect, have the TV absolutely flush, put a picture frame on it, and customers can even get a frame kit that goes on the new TV that can match this bronze. We'll show you the update soon. After getting the VersaBox all measured out, the TV's got their brackets up. What we typically do to avoid the unnecessary instructions, we'll measure from the tip here to the very center of this. That's 7.5 inches, and then from edge to the center of this was 6.5 inches or so. And then that's how when we plot our TV, we know where the edge is. We know where the lineup should be. We line that up right with the center, and we know where the top should be. So we kind of use a little corner measuring system that we figured out that works easy for us, because instructions are not easy with these mounts. The strong VersaBox, this is the recessed in-wall enclosure that will house the one connect. We'll put that right in here. We plotted that. That's gonna get cut. This electrical is offset with a stud in between, and this is probably a brick fireplace behind here, being a Fab 40's home. So we're probably gonna encounter some brick there, but this is most likely a studded build out. This is plaster. There's slat wood that's behind there to hold this plaster up. We'll relocate, we'll cap off this wall plate, not use it, but tap into it and nut our wires and extend it and put our box inside here. So everything's super tight and clean, and when the TV goes up against the wall, it'll be very neat. So stand by for that. So we just cut our box out into this old home. You can see that's plaster. There's those wood slats I was referring to. What we encountered was a beautiful 100-year-old true 2x4 on this fake stuff today. And we discovered old electrical wiring. So we're gonna see if it's live, possibly just cut it. So we got the box installed, put in our outlet there. Wire went through one stud. We brought it into this box, came through. We're gonna tap into this outlet. What we like to do with our Samsung One Connects, because it's going behind a TV, there's not a lot of space for a surge protector. We put these surge protected power conditioner outlets that's gonna be slipped in the wall, and they'll protect our Samsung TV. Considering this is an old home, who knows what's out here, so we're gonna preserve it with some protection in the outlet. So here you can see kind of a Samsung One Connect plugged into our surge protector outlet. This box goes in like this. Wire comes out of that little hole, plugged into the TV. That's how you install a Samsung frame, plaster, in-wall enclosure, electrical. All right. All right, so this is what it's like installed. Super flush. We're gonna have a little trim piece here to match these bronze looking sconce. The beauty of the RTV.